Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. If 4.75 into 0.77 equal to 3.6575, then find the value of 47.5 into 7.7. Question number 1. First we write this expression. So 4.75 into 0.77 equal to 3.6575, that is 475 into 0.77, eliminating point we get here 40. After that we write this expression. So 7.5 into 7.7, so it's become 475, eliminating point we get 10 into 10, so that is 475 into 77 by 100. Here 475 into 77 by 100 into 100. This expression is 3.6575. So we have to convert it in this expression. So we have to multiply it with 100 and here also 100. This expression is 3.6575. So here 20 is remaining. So point is transferred to right side 2 place. So it's become 365.75. So C is the right answer. Question number 2. Find the HCF of 128, 288 and 320. We can calculate HCF by division method. So 128 divided 288, 2. So it's become 232. 128 is 4. So HCF of 128 and 288 is 32. After that we calculate the HCF of 32 and 320. So 32, 320, 1, 32, 0 remaining 10. So HCF is 32. C is the right answer. Question number 3. Find which of the following number is divisible by 9. So option A 6000, we adding all digit we get 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. It is not divisible by 9, so the number is not divisible by 9. Again option B 6235, so 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 16. It is also not divisible by 9. So B is not my answer. Again option C 7425, 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, that is 18. It is divisible by 9. So C is the right answer. Question number 4. A car moving at a uniform speed of 50 km per hour. Find the time taken by the car to cover 260 km. So 4. Time, that is distance by speed, that is 260 by 50, that is 26 by 5, 5 whole 1 by 5. So that is 5 hours, 1 by 5 into 60, that is 5 hours 12 minutes. So B is the right answer. Question number 5. Amar buy rice for rupees 156.5, pulses for rupees 212.75 and mustard oil for rupees 62.50. He gives rupees 500 note to shopkeeper. The amount Amar has now. So first he buy rice, that is 156.50, pulses 212.75, and mustard oil, that is 62.50. 5 7 carry 1, that is 1, 431.75 rupees. He gave 500 note, so remaining is 500, 431.75. We subtract it, we got 258.6, 68.25. So B is the right answer. Question number 6. A tea set was bought for rupees 616 after getting a discount of 12% on its mark price. Find the mark price of the tea set. So he get 12% discount, selling price 88, then marked price price 100. If selling price 1, then mark price is 100 by 88. If selling price 616, then mark price 100 into 616 by 88. So 700. So C is the right answer. Question number 7. How many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper 100 cm by 75 cm? Supposing one envelope requires 20 cm by 5 cm piece of paper. So question number 7, area of paper, that is 100 into 75 centimeter square, area of envelope 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter, that is 100. So number of envelope, that is 100 into 75 by 100, 75. So B is the right answer. Question number 8. A sum of rupees 45,000 was lent at a simple interest, and at the end of 1 year 8 months the total amount was rupees 47,250. Find the rate of interest per year. Simply we can calculate it from formula. So 8 amount, that is 47,250, principal, that is 45,000. So interest 0522, 2,250, time, that is 1 year 8 months, that is 1 whole 8 by 12, that is 1 whole 2 by 3 years, that is 5 by 3 years. So rate equal to I into 100 by P into T. I, that is 2,250 into 100 by 45,000 into 5 3. So 30,3055. So 3%. B is the right answer. Question number 9. A train 340 meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. What time will it take to cross a 160 meter long tunnel? The train have to cover its own length, that is 340, and tunnel length, that is 160. So it's become 500 meter. So 45,000 meter cover in 3600 seconds. Speed is 45, that's why 45,000 meter cover in 3600 seconds. We convert kilometer to meter and hour to seconds. So 1 meter cover in 3600 by 45,000 seconds. 500 meters cover in 36 by 450 into 500. So it's become, that is 40 seconds. So A is the right answer. Question number 10. The average age of 40 students in a class is 15 years. When 10 new students are admitted, the average is increased by 0.2 year. Find the average age of the new students. So 10. Average age of 40 student is 15 years. So total age of 40 students, that is 15 into 40, 600 years. When 10 new students come, average become 15.2. So average of 50 students, that is 15.2 years. So total age of 50 student, that is 15.2 into 50, that is 760 years. So age of 10 student, that is 760 minus 600, that is 160 year. So average of 10 student, that is 160 by 10, so it has become 16 years. So A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.